Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, how do people even save rupees 1 lakh? Maybe you are earning 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, or even 50,000 a month. Yet somehow, at the end of every month, the money disappears. Bills come, food expenses come, mobile recharge comes, unexpected expenses comes, and then one day you realize that years have passed, your savings are still close to zero. If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. Because today I'm not going to tell you some unrealistic advice like stop drinking tea or never buy anything fun. Instead, I will show you a practical roadmap to save your first 1 lakh even if you are starting from zero. And trust me, the first 1 lakh is the hardest. After that, money starts working differently. Let's understand why. The magic of the first 1 lakh. Imagine you are climbing a mountain. The beginning is always the hardest. Your legs hurt, you feel tired, you wonder if you will ever reach the top. But once you again momentum, climbing becomes easier. Saving money works exactly the same way. Your first 1 lakh is not important because of the amount. It's important because it changes your identity. You stop being someone who says, I will save later, and become someone who says, I am a saver. That mindset shift is worth more than the money itself. Why most people never reach 1 lakh? The biggest mistake people make it believing they need a huge salary before they can save. That's completely false. I have seen people earning 20,000 save money consistently. I've also seen people earning a lakh every month, living paycheck to paycheck. Problem is not income. The problem is behavior. Most people save whatever remains after spending. Successful savers spend whatever remains after saving. That one difference changes everything. Let's see how. Step 1. Calculate your real financial position. Before saving your first 1 lakh, you need to know where you stand. Take a notebook, write down three things: your monthly income, your monthly expenses, your current savings. That's it. Don't overcomplicate it. Many people avoid doing this because they are afraid of what they will discover. But you can't improve what you don't measure. For the next 30 days, track every rupee, every tea, every snack, every online order, every recharge, every subscription. You'll be shocked by where your money actually goes. My friend's story. I had a friend who complained every month that he could not save. He believed he needed a better salary. One day he tracked his spending. Do you know what happened? He discovered he was spending about 4,000 every month on food delivery apps, another 2,000 on impulse purchases, and nearly 1,500 on subscriptions he barely used. That's nearly 7,500 monthly. In 1 year, that's 90,000, almost his first lakh. The money was already there. He just couldn't see it. Step number two, pay yourself first. This is probably the most important lesson in personal finance. Moment your salary arrives, saves first, not later, not next week, not after paying everything. Immediately think of saving as a bill. Just like electricity, just like rent, just like internet. Except this bill is paid to your future self. For example, if you earn 20,000 per month, save 2,000 first. If you earn 30,000, save 3,000. If you earn 50,000, save 5,000 or more. Start with at least 10%. Even it feels uncomfortable, your lifestyle will adjust. Humans adapt incredibly fast. The 100 daily formula. Here's a simple trick. Save 100 every day. Sounds small, right? 100 in 30 days is equal to 1,000. 3,000 in 12 months is to 36,000. Now increase this slightly over time. 200 daily becomes 72,000 annually. Add bonuses, gifts, tax refunds, or side income. And suddenly 1 lakh doesn't seem impossible anymore. Step number three, stop chasing starters. One of the biggest enemies of saving is trying to impress people. Many people buy expensive phones they don't need, expensive clothes they rarely wear, expensive bikes they can comfortably afford. Why? Because they want to look successful. The funny thing is, genuinely wealthy people often don't care about looking rich. They're focused on becoming rich. Remember this, looking rich and being rich are completely different things. Choose being rich. Step number four, create a separate savings account. This sounds simple but it's powerful. Never keep savings in the same account you use daily. When money is visible, you are tempted to spend it. Open a separate savings account. Transfer the savings automatically. Then pretend that money doesn't exist out of sight, out of temptation, out of danger. Step 5. Increase income alongside savings. Saving alone can get you rupees to 1 lakh, but increasing income can get you there much faster. Ask yourself, can I learn a skill? Can I freelance? Can I do part-time job? Can I start a small business online? Can I learn from YouTube? Can I offer services locally? Even an extra 3,000 to 5,000 monthly can dramatically accelerate your growth. Many people focus on only cutting expenses. Smart people focus on for savings more and earning more. A simple example. Let's say Rahul earns 25,000 monthly. He saves 3,000 every month. That's nearly 36,000 yearly. Now he starts a small side hustle earning 4,000 monthly. He saves that too. That another 48,000 yearly. Total savings 84,000. Add one festival bonus or extra income and he crossed 1 lakh. Not because he became rich overnight, but because he became intentional. Step 6. Avoid lifestyle inflation. This is a silent killer. Imagine a salary increases from 25,000 to 35,000. Most people immediately upgrade everything. Better phone, better restaurants, but more shopping, more subscriptions, more spending. As a result, the savings start exactly the same. Instead, whenever your income increases, save at least half of the increase. This single habit can transform your finance. Psychology behind saving. Most people think about saving is about money. It's actually about emotions. When you're stressed, you spend. When you're bored, you spend. When you're sad, you spend. When you're celebrating, you spend. Learn to control emotional spending is one of the biggest financial superpowers. Before buying something, ask yourself, do I need it? Will I still want it after 7 days? Is this improving a life or just giving temporary excitement? These questions alone can save thousands. Step number 7. Celebrate small milestones. Don't wait until 1 lakh. Celebrate every milestone. 10,000, 25,000, 50,000, 75,000. Each milestone proves you are moving forward. Success is here when progress feels visible. What happens after 1 lakh? Something interesting happens. You stop feeling financially fragile. Unexpected expenses don't scare you as much. Emergencies become manageable. Opportunities become easier to grab. Most importantly, you gain confidence because you know if I save 1 lakh once, I can do it again and again. This is that's when wealth building truly begins. Finally, your first 1 lakh is not about becoming rich. It's about proving something to yourself. It's proof that you can control money instead of letting money control you. Don't worry about saving 10 lakh today. Don't worry about becoming a millionaire tomorrow. Focus on the next 100, then the next 1,000, then 10,000. Small action repeated consistently create extraordinary results. A year from now, will I either have your first 1 lakh saved or you will wish had started today. The choice is yours. Start now, even if it's just 50 rupees, even if it's just 100, because the best time to save was yesterday. The second best time is today. Thank you.